What is going on, traders and investors? This is K2, and let's get it. I am here to keep you updated and getting you ready for next week and what's to come. Guys, the Fear and Volatility Index is starting to heat up, and we are looking for some good opportunities coming into this week and the start of September. I'm going to be talking a little bit about interest rates. What are the Feds going to cut? How is that going to appease to the Trump administration, stuff like that, how it's going to affect, and how we're going to find some really good entries with this information. There is a lot of fear on the AI and NVIDIA. NVIDIA has grown so much, and they missed earnings, or they didn't even really miss earnings. They just missed one data bit of their earnings, and this put a bunch of fear into the stock. And I know we entered some call options, me and my premium Discord, and we are already up a little bit on those. We had some really good entries this past week, and PLTR going to go respect the Bollinger Band. I remember I looked in the history of PLTR, and it respects a Bollinger Band 80% of the time. So we got a really good entry here at 144, and it's been a really good trade. These already went up 300%, and we sold most, maybe have one contract left as a runner. That was a really good trade for me and my group. Now, after post-election, September and October are usually one of the worst months. But on the other hand, there's really good stocks coming up, like maybe Dollar Tree or something. They go crazy when the stocks are going down, and there's a lot of opportunities coming up with this information and knowing this information. You guys have to know this information, or you're going to be going into your trades blind. Now, the Fed are planned to meet on September 17th, and they're planned to cut 25 basis points, and this is actually really good. And yeah, we actually banked on Intel when they did the talk, and it was pretty good. So yeah, you guys are gonna have to know this information before you're getting into these trades. PLTR is making consistent higher highs and higher lows, as we can see here. Let me go ahead and draw some out. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We're looking to make the next higher low here, and it's looking very good. So there's still a very mean uptrend in here, and we're still in a bull market, but there are some signs that a correction could come, and I am ready, and here is how I'm going to prepare if there is going to be a correction. Alright, so looking at the daily chart for NVIDIA, we can see it respected the Bollinger Band, and this is where we entered. We entered on this, and we entered in PLTR, as you guys know, and we did profit a lot off that. Let's go! But if we want to go ahead and mark out some levels for NVIDIA, check this out over here. And then if we see NVIDIA come down to around here, then we'll be looking for some entries and just doubling down, averaging down on our position, because most likely it could come down here and retest these levels, and then we will just be entering right back in, no problem. Google has also hit all-time highs, and we've been absolutely banking off of Google lately. It has been cooking lately, absolutely insane, looking very good. I don't know what all this stuff's on my chart. I'm just deleting it. But we can see Google made all-time highs, and we have been in a mean uptrend. So there is a lot of positive catalysts on the stock, and we could be looking to trade this with the opening pre-market strength strategy that I created. So be ready for that. Be ready for Google if I call it out. And yeah, Google's looking very good. NVIDIA's looking very good. PLTR is looking very good. Some very good large cap stocks that we could be doing some really good swing trades. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at BMNR, and we could be looking for some trendline breaks. Look at that. I made it right in front of you guys. Come check it out. Go ahead and check it out. So as we can see here, if this breaks out of this trend line, we'll be looking for a very nice market open breakout. Maybe 1000% gain possibility, so you guys get ready for that. As you guys know, in my past videos, we can see this huge volume candle right here. This is the biggest volume candle BMNR has ever done, and we can see right here, after this big volume candle, this big move up, we are seeing volume slowly decay as the stock decays. So we could be seeing a really big move here, 1,000% gain, guys. It could be completely insane. Just be ready for that before I call that one out in the morning. Yeah, also looking at Robinhood right here on the daily chart. This stock is mostly derived of mostly hype, and the other week it was one of our only losses on our market open trades. Probably like 1 out of 20. This was our only loss on Robinhood. It's pretty unpredictable. You can tell that this is just driven by sentimental analysis. So I'm not really sure about Robinhood, and I don't know about taking off my real shares on the stock. But we'll see what happens. In my free Discord, where I call out all these trades for free, um, and I also have the premium mentorship where it is not free, but you will probably make it back on the first day. No cap. But alright, let's go ahead and look at some reviews and testimonials. Come check this out, guys. So, a lot of great reviews, a lot of wins, even small portfolios, big portfolios. It doesn't really matter. And I am offering a code for 60% off, guys. We are not like, once 5 people use this code is going to be gone forever. So if you're watching this video right now and you're not watching it at the time it's posted, I would most likely try this code. Go try this code right now. Go ahead and join my free Discord. It is in my Discord. So go ahead and type holiday underscore sale. That is holiday underscore sale on any of my plans, and you will get 60% off. Here are the reviews here. You have access to my swing trade alerts, private K2 alerts. You have the premium chat where everybody helps you out. You have exclusive educational videos. You have my notes here. I shouldn't show this stuff, but yeah, it's really detailed notes here. The chat, long-term portfolio. This is changing all the time, so I don't really care if you guys see it. It's gonna be changed tomorrow. But let's go ahead and look at here, and then you get a bunch. Even if you don't want to pay, guys, go ahead and join the free Discord. You get all of this for free. But if you're in the paid Discord, you get no delay on the on the live trading at 9:25 a.m. But if you are in the free Discord, you have a 60-second delay. And I am a breakout trader, so if you're getting into these trades 60 seconds late, you are missing out on a lot of profit, and that's just the facts. All right, guys. Well, that's what I just went over today. That was PLTR, Nvidia, Robinhood, and what else? BMNR. So yeah, we're looking for a really good week, start of September, and let's make some money next week, guys. Let's fucking bank today. Let's bank. All right, peace, peace, peace.